Hi there, and today we're going to have a Canva Mockup Generator tutorial. So in order to create mockups, you can just go ahead and create a blank presentation or a blank design, or you can also go to templates and then just search here mockups, and then you will have a variety of choices right here. So you can choose any design that you want so that you can use their template. But for example, if you are going to use a blank design, so for example, I'll create one right here. And then what you can do is that you can go to elements and then you can just type in here mockups. And then you will have a lot of choices. So just click see all right here when you see the mockups section. And then you will have a bunch of different choices right here for your mockups. So the choices right here are image mockup. So for example, if I will add this mockup right here, I can go ahead and adjust its size. And then in order to insert media or images right here, you can just go ahead and drag and drop. So when you double click it, it says here, just drag and drop any image into the mockup template. So I can just go to my uploads right here. And then for example, I have an image right here. I can go ahead and drag and drop this into the mockup, and then it will be applied to the frame right here. And then we can go ahead and adjust the look of the image. So for example, right now it fits all of the image into the frame. But if I choose fill, so it will fill all of the space inside of the mockup of the frame. And then I can go ahead and adjust its position. For example, I will choose this one, which is the center, and then you can also use the alignment feature right here. So for example, if you want to align it to the left, to the right, or to the center. So it depends on your preference as well. And then you can also flip the image vertically or horizontally. So it depends on your preference. And then to apply the changes, we can just click apply changes. And then we have our image right here inside of the mockup. And then if you want to change the image, we can just click detach image and then just delete the image. So detach it again and then delete. And then for example, I want to use another image. For example, this one. I'll just drag and drop it inside of the mockup image. So now we have that. Then we can fill, then apply changes. And then that is it. So I will create a new page right here. There are also different mockup types. You can also create a video mockup. So let's just go to elements and then let's search video mockups. And then you will have different mockups right here that has a video. So for example, I'll choose this one. It has 4 seconds of video. So let's add it here. Then adjust the size. Then click on play. So it will have that video right here. You can go ahead and just do the same thing. You can insert your image right here in the video mockups. For example, I want this again. So I'll just drag and drop it right here. And then we'll wait for it to be applied to the video. We can double click this video again so that we can see it is loading. And then now we have our image inside of the video mockup. We can adjust its position, click apply. Then we'll just wait for this to finish loading. Then we can see our video mockup right here and play the video. So like that. And then that is it. That is it for our Canva Mockup Generator tutorial. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.